The world's seventh richest person, founder, and CEO of Facebook. We will talk about Mark Allen Zuckerberg. We will talk about his work life, personal life, and social media platform. And as a CEO, he takes only $1 from his company. I will also upload Elon Musk's daily routine tomorrow. So stay tuned with this channel, and if you want to be successful, watch this full video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. When the sun rises completely at 8 a.m., Mark Zuckerberg completes his sleep, which is very late for other billionaires. But Mark Zuckerberg tells that he at least needs 8 hours of sleep for a productive day. As compared to other people's, Mark also opened his phone at the early morning when sleeping in his bed. But the difference is that he checks his site Facebook what are the bugs and other problems. With the Facebook news feed, he lets know what's the news all around. He also checks his other platforms like Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. It's like getting two things in a single arrow. He also checks social media and let his site know. Then he directly go to his morning exercise. With his favorite dog Bob Beast, he do morning walk 3 days in a week. Then he goes directly to take a shower. Not like Obama, first he get bath and then do exercise. He first do exercise and then take a bath. And it's technically right. After taking bath, as you have seen, Mark only wears a grey t-shirt with jeans and sneakers as he know that he don't want to waste time with other unnecessary decisions. He believes that we should not waste our time and energy in deciding what to wear and what to eat. This rule he also applies in his breakfast. He eats what he gets and doesn't be choosy at what he wants to eat. As being a very famous and well maintained CEO, he goes to the office regularly at time and takes sometime his dog with him. As Facebook's office is very goal oriented and professional, they also take full care of their employees as they do very much productive work. Mark very much give freedom to his employees and do not let them hesitate to stop him in a meeting where he is going wrong or taking any wrong decision. He really well know that he have founded and the CEO of Facebook, but he does know that in spite of Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger and Instagram, the company is very well going and because of their staffs. As a CEO, he works nearly 50 to 60 hours in a week. But he tells that he works all the time while running, while in his home, he thinks about ideas but because it's his goal. As his goal is to make people closer through internet and social media platforms. As a responsible father, after work he comes to his home and takes care of his two childs and he spends really quality time with his family, and I think he loves more his family than his work. Beside this, he loves to read books and is a book reader, and he also learns different languages and skills in his free time. He always sets a goal in the year that he will learn Mandarin Chinese. Short time after lunch, he with his family does Mi Shevirach, which is a prayer. After that, he goes to sleep for his next productive day. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and please hit a subscribe button. and also hit the like button. And if you have some opinions and want to watch a video and on another topic, please write down in the comment section. Signing out for the day, Shreyas